Christmas, the Cody Stumbo and the Kinny Landrum on Facebook. All throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Day 2. This is the Kenny Landrum
And the Cody Stumbo, and we're here with you with our second day of
second day.
And guys, today we're going to talk about navigation for everybody.
In the Intune 3.0 system that's in the 2018.
And 19 Camrys. We have 3 different Intune radios available. We have an Intune 3.0 audio. We have an Intune 3.0 audio.
Wait a minute, Cody. I want to say something about one of the Intune audios. We have Intune 3.0 premium audio
All right,
as
Kenny,
well.
and if you're going to talk about it, tell us about our first one.
All right, navigation for everyone. You know what that means, Cody? That means you have Scout GPS Link.
Which, when you tether your phone with your charging cord to the car, you'll be able to have maps that pop in just like you see in this display right here. And then for the 3.0 Audio Plus, you're going to have the same availability of the navigation with the Scout GPS, also an availability for remote start through Intune Audio app.
Can you do that like through your phone?
On your phone, Kenny, everything's going through your phone nowadays, Kenny. You should know that.
So if I was in Paris, could I start my Camry with the Toyota into Remote Connect app?
Kenny, anything is possible if you just believe.
Wow. Make sure you come and look at the 2018 and 2019.
Well, Kenny, you got to tell them about 3.0 Premium.
Gosh, okay. Toyota Intune 3.0 Premium Audio comes with the App Suite 3.0 and the Remote Connect. But the difference, Cody, what's the difference between these two and the navigation system that's in that one?
What the Premium does is that gives you integrated navigation. So what integrated means that it's actually in your car, no apps or anything involved.
Did you say in my car?
In your car, already there. As you can see in this description right here display, that you have the dynamic route as well that comes with the Intune integrated navigation.
Did you say dynamic navigation?
Dynamic. So what that means is that if I'm traveling down 65 and there's a wreck at exit 26,
right,
the dynamic navigation is going to tell me that.
And they get all that information from the cloud way up high.
That's over my head.
It's over my head, too. It is.
Guys,
So,
go
this,
ahead,
can I go?
Go ahead.
No,
Go
you're
ahead.
the Cody Stumble. You go.
All right. So guys, Intune 3.0 audio available in the 18 and 19 Camrys. Remember, we have 3 different ones: the Intune Audio 3.0, the Audio Plus, and the Premium Audio.
Come see the Cody Stumbo
And the Kenny Landrum.
at Toyota Bowling Green.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching.
12 days of Christmas, the Cody Stumbo and the Kinny Landrum on Facebook. All throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.